How to increase the speed of a video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open any one of the video editing app. I'm simply using CapCut here. Choose the video which you want to increase the speed of. Tap on the main video and go to speed from the bottom corner. As you can see, the scale of the speed has been changed and the speed of video has been increased. To increase it more, move the scale above in the right hand side, and as you can see, the speed has been changed. In order to slow it down, you can move the scale to the left hand side, and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.